Okay, Canada might win gold.
Oh,
you ready, babe?
Oh, I'm so ready.
The last guy. He can't get first.
No.
Fall. Bull crappy.
Or you know what? Get second. Knock that other guy out.
Yeah.
Not afraid to charge, and he is going to have to if he wants to beat Philadelphia.
Imagine what Alex Bilodeau is thinking right now, sitting at the bottom of the hill, watching Gilbert Pola get ready for the last one of the evening.
Ball.
Right here. Does France win, or does Canada win?
He can't even stand
I can't stand it.
Stand by to find out.
Ball.
Whoa. He's all hunched though.
Whoa. Wow, look at that speed. Oh God.
Certainly going to find out. A decent run, no question there.
No.
Unseat Alex Bilodeau. Time again.
Oh baby.
I want to go.
In a game hosted by our own country. But that might change right here.
I think we've got two major mistakes tonight on this run. Both came in the air on the landing. I would be shocked if Pola takes first place. Watch this here. Here's where he misses his grab. The judges need to
Waiting. He can have second. That's cool. You can have second. I don't care. That's fine. That's fine with me.
That should be a deduction from the judges.
Looks like you're doing a pee dance.
1976, this country has waited for a gold medal to be won by a Canadian in our great country. We are
I'm such a loser.
You're not a loser.
become true. The score will tell you the story.
Yes! Yes! Very nice.
Happy days!
Yes, happy days.
We had gold!
Right here at home.
More cowbell! See that? Gold, Canada!
Oh, disappointment. Finally! We had the gold. Very nice.
Happy baby.
Very happy.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Very happy.
I love you.